Good afternoon and happy weekend to everyone. And actually today we just came back from grocery, and since I just bought some groceries, so let's just have a fridge tour and let me show you what my family exactly eats. Okay, what we normally eat. So first we have to do our freezer. By the way, Isabella's taking me the video. Bella's helping me to take this video. So let me show you. What you see?
Hi!
Okay, anyway, she's helping me today. So anyway, first we have to start. Start in our freezer. So in my freezer, this is how it is. This is all my spices, Indian spices, and this is all also Indian spices. And now here, this is all my meat. So I have here, this is all beefs. I have here, this is beef chunk, and I have some beef steak and beef mince I've taken. So this is all the one. It comes in the packaging, and including this one as well. On the bottom is also beef. And here, this is a shrimp. A big one, so like a tiger shrimp. Tiger prawns, I think. And we love, since it's summer and it's hot in Dubai, so we always stock some ice cream, so it's just easy to grab. And it's just ready to grab, by the way. And I have here, it's a butterscotch ice cream. And we have some vanilla ice cream. I love vanilla, especially when I make banana cake. I always love this to put on the top. And this is Isabella's ice cream. She always have this, maybe after food or just during snacks, you'll have one. And we have another ice cream as well. This is on the stick. So this is ice cream we have. And now here, we have her cut piece. This is a big chunk of pork. I cut into like this much because I want to use this like to mix with the vegetables. So I have 6 of this. Okay, and then I have pork mince because I want to make a shumai. Maybe one of these days I'll try if I'm not busy. And I have some sausages. We're not eating sausages every day, just very rare. So I'm just putting this in because sometimes my husband will ask also sometimes with the when he drinks. So he always asks me to cook some sausages. And see. So this is what's inside my freezer, and I have this molo wrapper. This is for the shumai. Actually, this is my first time I'm gonna use this because for the shumai wrapper normally I do homemade, so I just make from the scratch. So this time I want to try this one. And I have here some mixed vegetables if I want to make some fried rice. So I have some mixed vegetables. And also, I have 3 of this, 450 grams of chicken breast. So I normally have this with butter chicken or another Indian dish. So I will use this one. And this one on the bottom, as you can see, this is the 900 grams. This is chicken wings. So when I'll make like buffalo chicken. So I'll make buffalo chicken wings. So I will have that. And okay, so this is all what I have for my freezer. And this one is just like, it's good for 1 month for us. This is a 1 month supply. So now we'll have to do our freezer. I'm sorry, in the fridge. So I have eggs here. You can see here? Eggs, so I have like, it's full of eggs. Because Isabella loves to eat eggs, so she normally eats 2 boiled eggs every day. So I have this one full of eggs. And here, this is an Indian pickle. My husband loves Indian pickles, and also I love Indian pickle. And I have ginger garlic paste. And this one is for my baking, when I'm going to bake a cake. This is the one. And this is also all Indian masalas. And this one my cousin gave me. This is tablia or kuku tablet. This is normally you have to use this with champurrado or hot chocolate milk. Hot chocolate, sorry. And in this side, this is red wine. It's for my husband, sweet red wine. This is also a white wine, and this is also white wine. And we have here mustard. I have Sichuan chutney, Chinese. And I put here my, what is this? Yes, for baking. And I have here orange juice. This is orange juice. I put it here because it's easily accessed for Isabella when she feels like drinking juice. You just grab from here. But of course, I still have there inside, very inside, I still have 2 more inside. Okay, so in this part, these are in the middle. This is all fruits. We love fruits. We normally eat fruits during our snacks or even after our meal. We always have fruits. So in here, I have mango, I have mango fruit, I have avocado, I have a pear, I have an apple. So 3 kinds of fruits here. And here, I have grapes, green grapes, red grapes, and I have cherries. I have 3 of this. I have a mango, actually, mango I left over from afternoon. I have this. So I have this is cherries. We have eaten already 1 packet actually. So this is the grapes. So as you can see, at the back, we have some oranges, juice, and apple juice. And of course, my husband's resource is there. He normally drinks on weekend just 1 can of this. So I put it inside so there'll be enough space. And now on the third, in this side and here in the drawer, these are all vegetables. So here I put it outside because it doesn't come inside, doesn't fit in anymore. It's already full. So I have here, this is French beans. I have this, and I have okra. I have okra or ladyfinger, and I have a cabbage. Okay, 1 cabbage. As you can see also from down here, from inside, I have some 4 of this fresh milk. So this is inside, and I have some raisins, and I have some oats. So from inside here, so here, I have some tomato, I have some pumpkin or squash, and I have some cauliflower, and I have some cabbage again. I have some green chili, and some ladyfinger, some eggplant, some ginger, ginger, and I have some lemon, and I have some carrots, cucumber here, and inside there it's a carrot. So there's some carrots there. So these are what's inside of my... See, the reason why I put the newspaper is because of this, it's making water. So anyway, so it doesn't get spoiled or something. So now we'll go in this side. First, this is the chiller, pull-out tray. This is the first drawer. Here, this is my chapati flour. This is a chapati flour. Actually, this is a whole wheat flour. This is to make a chapati, like Indian bread. So sometimes we eat this. And these are the leftover food. This is the peri-peri chicken. And this is the leftover sweet and sour fish. It will be finished by today, so no problem. And here, I have some chocolates here. As we know, we always love to eat sweets after food. So we have different kinds of chocolates here. And Isabella loves sweet also. So we have different kinds of chocolates. And I have a butter. I have a mozzarella cheese. And I have cheddar cheese for the sandwiches. Okay. And now we go up here. As you can see, this is my pull-out tray. We have a custard. This is a caramel custard. Isabella likes this one. And I have some yogurt. And I have some dried fish. I bought it in the supermarket here. And this is another pickle. This is a garlic pickle, and this is mango pickle. So again, we have this one. So this is how it looks like, my fridge. This is what we normally buy for our monthly supply. So I have some onion here. This is our onion, and these are potato. I still need to get garlic. Maybe by tomorrow I'll get some garlic. The rice, I am using this rice. So I have 2 of this, 5 kg each. So this is 10 kg. And this is the one I'm using for my chapati. So I'm using this for my chapati gold atta. So this is how it's look like, the chapati. It's a flat round bread. And also this is Isabella's breakfast for, this is cornflakes actually. So I get the bigger ones. So now I'll show you quickly what's inside in my cupboard. This is actually, if I don't have space for my kitchen, I put here in my cupboard. So I have here, I have this Italian, this is an Italian salad dressing. I have this. This is a biscuit. Okay, this is biscuit for breakfast. Actually, we don't eat breakfast. We only have a cup of tea, coffee with biscuit, or I'll just have some juice or fruit or mango shake or apple shake, avocado shake. So normally we don't eat breakfast here, so that's why you cannot see in my freezer any breakfast food. Nothing is there. We only eat lunch and dinner. And I have here, anyway, I have your pasta. So I have 4 of this. We love to eat pasta. So I have 4 pasta. And I have this cocoa chocolate. I love making hot chocolate sometimes for breakfast. And I have another mango pickle. We love pickle. This is actually a homemade one we bought in the supermarket. And I have here, this is a pure ghee. I'm using this when making the chapatis. And of course, I have the condensed milk. It's just ready when I make my shake or if I make fruit salad. So I always have one I always have one on stock. I always have one pan on stock. So I have your kidney beans. When I'm so tired to cook something, so I just have to quickly cook this one. It's already cooked actually, you just have to put some masalas. Indian masala. And I have here mushroom. I love this when making a pasta, so I just have to mix this, or a fried rice. And I have coconut milk as well, just in case. And I have a peanut butter. So this is what's inside of this cupboard. And now we move to another cupboard, which is Isabella's cupboard. So in this Isabella, she has some gummy bear. She has actually a gummy bear. This is a vegan jelly, gelatin-free. So she has a Frutilla vegan jelly, gelatin-free gummy bear. And she has some salted peanuts. When she's hungry or something, she'll eat this. And she has some biscuits and some wafer and some. This is a snacks, a corn snacks, gluten-free, a corn snacks. It's not like this, but it was very nice. It is nice. It's a gluten-free also. And this is the finger chips. The first time I've eaten this in India. So we have this, and she has some lemon candy, and yeah, some other candies here also. So some small candies. She has this also. And she got some Furtado candy. So as you can see, she has lots of sweets. So this is Isabella's cupboard. And also here, I have some fruit also from the outside. So I have some mango. I have 3 mangoes. I have bananas. And I have another avocado because it's still not ripe. Maybe by tomorrow it will be ready. And my mango also still a little green is there. So this is all. And the rest are here. Just prepared some Indian breakfast. I have one noodles. I have one noodle actually, only one noodle in Dumi. And I have glutinous rice. And this is the one is salt. And here on the other cupboard I have some, this is sandwich plastic, sandwich zipper bag, cling wrapper, and this is cling film. And another Indian beans. I have this, flax seeds, some dal, Indian dal. Okay, and this one also dal. And from down, this is all my masalas. These are all my masalas, Indian masalas. And from here, it is another Indian snacks. This is sunflower. This is Indian snacks, Indian snacks, Indian snacks. This is also Indian snacks and Indian snacks. That's for my husband actually. And sunflower is mine. So that's all for my fridge and kitchen tour. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you to my next one. Bye!